Want to make money on Fiverr in 2025? These are 5 gigs you can start today. No portfolio, no BS. Forget the competition and complicated skills. We're diving into simple gigs you can learn in hours. Sell for profit and scale with AI. Let's stop scrolling and start earning. Skill 1. AI blog post writing. Companies want content. You've got AI. Offer SEO blog writing using tools like ChatGPT, plus Surfer SEO or Koala Writer. Charge $20 to $100 per post. Earning potential $1,000, $3,000 per month. You can learn it in just 2 hours. Skill 2. Canva design templates. Canva is the lazy person's Photoshop. Create Instagram posts, resumes, media kits, ebook covers, then resell templates on Fiverr like digital candy. Zero design background needed. Charge $10, $50 per template pack. You can learn this within 1 hour. Skill 3. Voiceovers with AI. You can offer voiceovers using 11 Labs, Plate, or your own voice with free noise removal tools. Use AI or your own voice. Charge $25 to $200 per gig. Skill 4. Resume plus LinkedIn profile revamps. You know how to copy and paste. Cool. Use ChatGPT and LinkedIn to revamp resumes, optimize profiles, and charge like a career coach. No HR experience needed. Charge $40 to $150 per gig. You can learn this in 2 to 3 hours. Skill 5. Faceless video editing. Cash in on the YouTube automation boom by offering faceless video editing. Use stock footage plus subtitles plus AI voiceovers equals instant YouTube-ready content. Use CapCut, VN or Premiere Rush. Charge $50 to $300 per video. You can learn this within a week. There you go, 5 easy Fiverr skills that print money in 2025. No fancy degrees, just smart tools and hustle. Which one are you trying first? Tell me in the comments. And if you want full Fiverr gig walkthroughs, templates, and AI tool tutorials, smash that like button, hit subscribe, and turn on notifications or someone else is getting your bag. Now, stop watching and go make that Fiverr money. See you in the next one.